You know, in life, everybody has his own luck.
Yes, sir.
Today is his own luck.
Yes, sir.
So, leave all these people. I don't know where they say they are going to. They are just wasting their time. Tell them, I don't even know the parties they say they are contesting. I don't know why anybody in Rivers State now would want to contest election with us.
No way.
That person must be a joker.
Bogey.
That person must be a
Joker.
What story would they tell? Do they have any story to tell you again?
No story.
I challenge any worker who is a civil servant, who says that we are not paying salaries, we are not paying pension, we are not paying gratuity. I challenge that worker in this state. Every month, we spend not less than 3 billion naira as payment to retired workers as gratuities. We pay not less than 1.8 billion to retired workers as a pension. I challenge anybody. I am not owing a dime. When I came on board, civil servants were owed 6 months' salaries. I cleared it. Pensioners were not paid. Gratuities were not paid. As at that time, we had money. But to the glory of God, all those things are things of the past. Our state, all this jealousy where they see, all this backbelly where they see,
I see the three boss, we go the pay back. I see the pay back, we go the do I see the three boss, we go the pay back. I see the pay back, we go the three.
So, all this way they say they don't sleep well. All this way they say, hold on, where they say they don't sleep well, they get high blood pressure. Now, because of the way we don't take our state go, none of their states feel compared with us.
No way.
You know, look at people who say they don't cancel their rally because of insecurity. Open their mouth. They talk saying security for River State. Is it true?
No.
I not collect 1 naira.
Free of charge.
I even go buy diesel for them. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Instead of them to talk, say, you know, say, 419 there of different category.
419.
I think I know
Yes.
so. If I can't tell you now, say, I get this thing. Say, make you give me money. I can't give you money. You can't find out, so I don't get the thing I get. Not before 419.
Now 419.
Not before 419.
Now 419.
The people where they here, those vultures, where they for Abuja, go they collect money from them. Say they go mobilize. And Mumu people too, they can't fall Mugu for them. Can they give them the money? When you can't reach this day where you go do mobilization, they say no, they won't kill us. Who won't kill you?
Nobody.
Tell them the truth, say you don't get that capacity.
You don't get.
If you didn't dare,
He didn't dare.
How many them there? Why we don't go with the family? How many them there? Why we don't go with the family? Them there? Why we don't go with the family? Them there?
you know, now they have exposed themselves You know, if you even get capacity to come to public, to tell them, say, with the support, if they run. Why did they pursue you? See local government rally. Local government waiting.
Rally.
Now you where they dance presidential rally for their own place. This is the local government
rally.
You can imagine where we do state rally for 23 local government. No be stampede.
No road.
So God don't give us that capacity to do something where we're going to say we sabi do am. I want people that talk say they plan to kill them. Now who be the killer? Who don't know for this state now who be the killer? You know, when your hand don't soak with blood too much. When you see lizard, fear.
You go run.
You see rat, they don't come.
You go run.
Now your conscience. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Now your conscience. Abia talk say, look me well. Abia Sakibo, look me well. Say me, I want to go assassinate him. What did I go assassinate you for? You try to be governor, you don't fit be governor.
No way.
So what did I go assassinate you for? Me, I want to be governor. I beat the governor 2014.
Now so.
I said I go win again. I win in 2019.
You win again.
So now what did I go assassinate you for? But the only question where I ask him, at anywhere where he did, put this television on now. Put channels on. Put AIT on. You're going to hear what now they ask you question. And I want the answer 24 hours. Who killed A.K. Dikibo? The former national vice chairman of PDP South. Now question I they ask. Who killed A.K.
Dikibo?
2. The man who wrote a petition against you, when they nominated you to be minister, Chief Gospel Biobolo, from the same area with you, the man wrote petition saying you're not supposed to be minister. The next day, they shot the man in his house. He died. Abia, who killed Gospel Biobolo?
Tell us so.
Now question I they ask. And I want to know the answer. And they hear me now?
Yes, sir.
And they hear me?
Yes, sir.
Abia, what didn't make Obasanjo sack you?
Answer.
What did happen? What did you do? When Justice Kayode as your panel indicted you, what did you do? I beg, Abia, answer.
You go answer.
24 hours. I need those
answer.
So, my hands are clean.
Yes, sir.
I have never been involved. And I will not be involved.
No way.
Because you tried to stop me as a governor, I defeated you. All of you.
Yes, sir.
All these vultures. 2007. Let me tell you, 2007. All of them. All of them. I, with some people, defeated them. By defeating them maybe today,
You don't think.
I don't defeat them. So that anger, some of them said I may remove them as governor. That anger there, I don't regret them at all at all. If I saw an opportunity again, I will remove you.
Now so.
2014, 2015, they plotted. I defeated them. So now who go plan to kill? Now you where they lose go plan to kill the man where they win you.
Yes.
The man where they win you go plan to kill you because you don't become a wife. Tell reverse people. Anybody who want to do something now, they will go tell their candidate, I abuse Wike today. Nothing one they see now. Every day, We can do this, we can do that. The only way it can be relevant in PDP for Abuja, abuse Wike. Do you understand me? If you not abuse Wike, they're not going to recognize you.
No way.
So at the throne I hear too, not going to abuse me. So they're going to recognize that.
Who not going to abuse you? Who not going to abuse you?
You know? See as they old every day, they machete every day. Why? Now bad things, what do they think? So when they say they cancel the rally, now lie. Now make people don't know say they no feel mobilized. In any case, PDP never tell us say they love River State. With their candidate. We had a problem here, flood, heavy flood, that occupied our houses. Obaba Mandoni, Ahuda West, Ahuda East, Abu Odua. Did anybody, whether it be PDP candidate or if anybody for the leadership of PDP, that came to this state to sympathize with us?
No way.
It doesn't love you. Would you kill yourself?
No.
Would you kill yourself?
No.
If you love me,
I love you.
if you hate me,
I hate you.
if you push me,
I push you.
if you fall for me,
I fall for you.
He may do many ways. He may do many ways. Our Kumeta.
so we don't have a problem. But our destiny must be in our hands.
Yes, sir.
Nobody can force us to do anything. All I said, Yendeba.
Yendeba.
Yendeba, 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 Yendeba. Yendeba, 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 Yendeba.
So that is only they want to kill me. Will you allow them to kill me?
No way.
Will you defend me?
Yes.
Will you protect me?
Yes.
Will you follow me?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I should go and sleep?
Yes.
My 2 eyes closed?
Yes.
And make it up!
Yeah.
And make it up!
Yeah.
Oh, cho. There's another boy. I read what he said in his press conference. One compound illiterate. I think I know what they call compound illiterate.
Yes, sir.
And,
Illiterate.
you know, they get people who see money. They call them money means road. Money means road. Because when that small money where you see, when you go sell the oil block, where they give them. I say sell that small money, when you see that small money, it can't go to Chicago to go destroy a marriage. Home. Look at money where you go take invest on your people. You can't go destroy home. Chicago, United States. You think so God no go punish him?
You go punish him.
That is the punishment he's facing now.
That's so.
Ask him. The same local government, Canada local government, you go destroy home for Chicago. You will never see good in your life.
Amen.
I don't tell them, say, better leave me alone. Better leave me
alone.
You say G5 don't die. What will be your problem now? We don't die. We agree. We don't die. We need to worry. You dey worry. We no fit talk again. We need to worry. Now you dey worry. You know they say politics. You get time for talk. You get time for
Action.
The action don't start. Not be so.
That's so.
Action never start.
It don't start.
Now. The more you look,
The less you see.
Why am I better than we can? Say!
So, I am satisfied. I'm happy. None of the vultures can withstand me and talk.
No way. No way.
And they will be treated as vultures in the appropriate time.
That's so.
Nobody can sell River State for a pot of porridge. You cannot intimidate us.
No way.
Peter Obi came here. I gave him stadium. I gave him vehicle. Nothing happened to him. Not so.
That's so.
Wakonso came. I gave him vehicle. Even to go to Bayelsa. I'm a governor. And they are former governors. I must extend that relationship with them.
Yes, sir.
APC have applied. I've given them stadium. Should I pursue them?
No.
If they want vehicle for me, I will give them. Now your party said they no go cause insecurity. Now insecurity there for their states.
That's so.
WIKELEAKS. Yes, WIKELEAKS.
How they want to be. See monkey. See monkey. Now River State where you want to try.
No way.
River State is too much for any state to touch.
Yes, sir.
If you touch us, you get burnt.
That's so.
Anybody, it doesn't matter how highly you think you are placed. If you touch us, anything where you see you
Hey.
So anybody where they support, I don't care. Come go do your campaign. Who would they do campaign? Not be so.
That's so.
The whole world they see, not be so.
That's so.
You go and do. Go and campaign. Not be to stay for Abuja. To stay for inside their house. They say they pursue us. You collect the money. Go and give them back their money.
That's so.
Tell them go and give them back their
Money.
Since your mama born them,
So, 25th don't reach. I'm sure you have been told what to do.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure you know what to do.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure we are moving together.
Yes, sir.
We will prepare them.
Prepare them.
yes, WIKELEAKS.
I don't want any woman to wear skirt that day.
No.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
25th of February is not a day for skirt.
No way.
It's a day for what?
Jeans.
Anything what they want, we give them. Maybe so.
That's so.
So wear your jeans. See as on a day like this. That's all a good day. So they will not say, you get people who get a pay land.
That's so.
Maybe so.
That's so.
So I don't want to keep on along. Today is Valentine's Day. Maybe so.
That's so.
I'm happy you are Valentine with the PDP River State.
That's so.
Maybe so.
That's so.
I know the Deputy Speaker is doing well.
Yes, sir.
A big man, a big man. Every say big man, a big man. Everything. We don't know what size up.
And I know he will take care of your Valentine. I am. You must do better Valentine today.
Yes, sir.
Today is Valentine of all the Valentine.
Yes, sir.
After this Valentine, another Valentine will be 25th of February.
Yes, sir.
Maybe so.
Yes, sir.
Maybe so.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. And God bless you.
Shall we take the national anthem to be led by the brass band? Brass band, national anthem.